When law enforcement secures a scene, the immediate danger may be contained, but the situation isn't over. What remains is often complex, hazardous, and deeply personal. Biohazard contamination, drug exposure, unattended deaths, vehicles and properties that are no longer safe to occupy. These are environments that require more than basic cleaning. They require certified remediation, strict protocol, and complete discretion. That's where Biomanagement Northwest comes in. Biomanagement Northwest is a professional biohazard remediation and restoration company, serving communities with a clear mission to restore safety, protect public health, and support individuals during some of the most difficult moments of their lives. We understand the role law enforcement plays. You secure the scene. You protect the public. You investigate and bring order to chaos. Our role begins where yours ends. We step in to ensure that environments are properly decontaminated, that hazards are eliminated, and that families, property owners, and communities can safely move forward. Our work includes drug contamination remediation, including methamphetamine and fentanyl exposure, crime scene and trauma cleanup, vehicle decontamination, hoarding and environmental hazard cleanup, mold and water damage remediation when biohazards are present. All work is performed using industry-standard protocols, proper PPE, and compliant disposal methods. But what truly separates Biomanagement Northwest is not just what we do, it's how we operate. In this industry, there are companies that prioritize speed over thoroughness and profit over people. We have seen situations where families are presented with costs they simply cannot afford. And when they can't pay, they are left without options. In some cases, that means remaining in unsafe environments. In others, it means displacement, instability, or even homelessness. Biomanagement Northwest has taken a different approach. We believe public safety does not end with enforcement. It extends into recovery. That's why we actively work to bridge the gap between crisis and stability. In situations where individuals or families cannot afford services, we assess each case with care and responsibility. When appropriate, we provide pro bono remediation services for those in genuine need. This is not a marketing strategy. It is a commitment. We have worked with families impacted by contamination who had no financial means, no insurance support, and no clear path forward. Instead of walking away, we stepped in. We performed the necessary remediation, ensured the environment was safe, and helped restore livable conditions. In addition, when properties are temporarily uninhabitable, we assist in coordinating or providing short-term accommodations for affected individuals and families. Because safety is not just about removing hazards, it's about ensuring people have somewhere secure to go. We understand that law enforcement officers often encounter these situations firsthand. You see the aftermath. You see the families trying to figure out their next step. And in many cases, you're asked questions that go beyond your scope. Who can help us? Where do we go? What are we supposed to do now? Biomanagement Northwest exists as a reliable answer to those questions. We operate with a strong emphasis on discretion, respecting the privacy of individuals and the sensitivity of each situation. Compliance, following all local, state, and federal guidelines for biohazard handling and disposal. Thoroughness, ensuring complete remediation, not partial cleanup. Ethics, prioritizing people over profit, especially in high-risk or vulnerable situations. We also understand the importance of maintaining the integrity of a scene. We do not enter active investigations. We coordinate with officers and departments to ensure proper clearance before beginning any work. Our goal is to support law enforcement, not interfere. By working together, we can create a more complete response system, one that doesn't end when a scene is cleared, but continues until the environment is safe and the people affected have a path forward. Because the reality is this: when hazardous environments are left untreated, they don't just impact one household. They can affect neighbors, future occupants, and the broader community. Proper remediation is not just a service, it's a public health necessity. Biomanagement Northwest takes that responsibility seriously. Every project is approached with the same level of care, regardless of size or circumstance. Whether it's a single vehicle or an entire property, whether it's an insured client or a family in crisis, the standard does not change. And neither does our commitment. We believe that ethical service builds stronger communities.
We believe that access to safety should not depend entirely on financial ability.
There's an important reality we believe law enforcement should be aware of. Not all restoration companies operate the same way. In some cases, families are presented with remediation costs that are significantly inflated or structured in a way that leaves little room for flexibility or support. When those families are unable to meet those costs, they are sometimes given no workable options, no phased approach, no alternative solutions, no effort to collaborate. The result is something we've seen firsthand: families being forced to leave their homes, not because the situation is beyond repair, but because the process becomes financially out of reach. In situations involving drug contamination or biohazards, this can escalate quickly. A property may be deemed unsafe to occupy, but without a company willing to work with the client, the path back to a safe living environment becomes blocked. This can lead to displacement, instability, and in some cases, temporary homelessness. From a public safety standpoint, this creates additional challenges. Unresolved contamination risks remain. Properties may sit untreated, and families are left navigating a crisis without support. At Biomanagement Northwest, we've made a deliberate decision to approach these situations differently. We work with clients whenever possible. We provide clear, transparent assessments. We explore realistic solutions. And when necessary, we step in to ensure that safety is not dependent solely on financial circumstances. Because the goal is not just to complete a job. The goal is to resolve the situation in a way that protects both the individuals involved and the community as a whole. This approach is a key part of how we support not just individual clients, but the broader public safety system as well. And we believe that partnerships with law enforcement are essential in making that possible. So when officers encounter situations involving biohazards, contamination, or unsafe living conditions, you can confidently refer Biomanagement Northwest, knowing that the job will be handled professionally. The individuals involved will be treated with respect, and every effort will be made to ensure a safe and responsible outcome. Because at the end of the day, this work is not just about cleaning. It's about restoring safety, stability, and dignity for the people you serve and protect every day. Biomanagement Northwest, a partner in public safety, a resource in times of crisis, and a company committed to doing what's right every time.